Look closer, look beyond the surface, beyond what is immediately visible to the naked eye. Everywhere you turn, life is communicating, adapting, and thriving in ways we are only beginning to understand. From the bustling city streets to the serene forest floors, an intricate dance of life unfolds, often unnoticed. Beneath this forest floor, there is a hidden world, an ancient network silently holding the fabric of life together. This world is teeming with activity, a bustling underground metropolis that supports the life above. Mycelium. This seemingly simple organism is anything but. Mycelium, the underground fungal network, is the unseen connector of the natural world. It is the lifeline that sustains ecosystems, a silent architect of the natural world. This intricate web stretches across entire ecosystems, linking trees, plants, and soil in an exchange of nutrients, information, and even warning signals. It is a communication network, a nutrient highway, and a defense system all rolled into one. It keeps forests alive, resilient, and interconnected. It is the glue that holds the ecosystem together, ensuring that every organism, from the smallest plant to the tallest tree, thrives. And in many ways, this hidden network resembles something closer to us, the human brain. The similarities are striking and profound. Both are vast systems of interconnected nodes. Mycelium's threads mirror our neural pathways, both carrying signals and messages across great distances. They are both complex, adaptive systems that respond to their environment in real time. But here's the mystery. Despite all our knowledge, we still don't fully understand either. The more we learn, the more questions arise. How does mycelium, this underground web, orchestrate an entire ecosystem? How does it know what each plant needs and when? Could it be that mycelium possesses a form of collective intelligence, a form of consciousness? Is it possible that this network is more than just a collection of cells, but a thinking, feeling entity? And how does the human brain, with its millions of neurons, create the essence of who we are? Our thoughts, emotions, our sense of self? How do these electrical impulses translate into the rich tapestry of human experience? And what if these two systems, the human brain and the mycelium, are part of something even bigger? What if they are just small parts of a grander design? When we zoom out to the scale of the universe, we see the same patterns. Galaxies connected like neurons in a cosmic web stretching across the cosmos. The universe itself seems to be a vast network, mirroring the structures we find in nature and within ourselves. Could the very structure of the universe be a reflection of the networks we find in nature and within ourselves? Is it possible that the universe is a living, breathing entity with its own form of consciousness? Three systems, mycelium, the human brain, and the universe, seemingly separate yet deeply connected in structure and function. They are all part of a grand tapestry woven together by invisible threads. Are they part of the same universal blueprint, the same underlying intelligence that governs all of life and reality? Could it be that the same principles that govern the growth of a mushroom also govern the formation of galaxies? You might be wondering, why does this matter? Why should we care about these hidden networks? What could unraveling these mysteries possibly reveal? What secrets could we unlock by understanding these networks? The answer is simple: everything. Understanding these networks could change the way we see the world and our place in it. The more we understand how these natural networks function, the more we realize how interconnected we are with the world around us and how vital it is for us to protect it. Our survival depends on the health of these networks. Research into mycelium has already revealed groundbreaking discoveries: how these fungal networks can restore damaged ecosystems, filter toxins from polluted soil, and even break down harmful plastics. The potential applications are vast and transformative. Just imagine what more we could uncover with deeper study. The possibilities are endless. Understanding how these hidden networks work could change the way we approach medicine, the environment, and even our understanding of consciousness. It could lead to new treatments for diseases, new ways to clean up our planet, and new insights into the nature of reality. But these ideas aren't new. They have been around for millennia. Thousands of years ago, ancient civilizations observed these same patterns in nature and the cosmos. They saw the interconnectedness of all things and understood the importance of these networks. The indigenous peoples of the Amazon believed that plants communicated with each other, while the Vedic texts of India describe the universe as a vast network, an eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth, everything intertwined. These ancient wisdoms are now being validated by modern science. Modern science is now catching up with this ancient wisdom. We are beginning to see the truth in these ancient teachings. The more we study mycelium, neurons, and the universe, the more we see that everything is connected by invisible threads, forming an intricate web that binds life, mind, and the cosmos together. This realization is profound and transformative. This is where you come in. You have the power to make a difference. What if your curiosity, your drive to explore these mysteries, could make a difference in the world? What if you could be the one to unlock the secrets of these networks? By studying these systems, by devoting your life to observing the natural world around us, you could be part of the next great discovery. You could be the one to make a breakthrough that changes the world. You could help unlock the secrets of how life works, how the brain creates consciousness, and how the universe itself might be alive, thinking, and connected. The possibilities are endless. Imagine what we could achieve. Imagine the impact we could have. Imagine the solutions we could find if we understood these interconnected networks. We could solve some of the world's most pressing problems. How we could restore damaged ecosystems, improve our mental health, and even explore new ways of thinking about the universe and our place in it. The potential is limitless. The key to our future lies not just in technological advancements, but in learning from nature itself. Nature has been perfecting these systems for billions of years. By observing and working with these natural systems, whether it's the mycelium beneath our feet or the stars above, we can create a more sustainable, interconnected world. We can learn from nature's wisdom and apply it to our own lives. Our world is alive with possibility. There is so much to discover, so much to learn. There are mysteries waiting to be uncovered, threads of life and consciousness waiting to be woven into the fabric of our understanding. The journey of discovery is just beginning, and it begins with a single step, a question, a moment of curiosity, a moment of curiosity. That spark of wonder is the beginning of all great discoveries. The deeper you look, the more you realize the answers are already here. They are waiting to be found. All you have to do is seek them. The journey of discovery is open to all who are willing to look. What will you discover? What secrets will you unlock? Will you be the one to find the threads that tie it all together? The future is in your hands.